Hey there. Welcome with another video. This is your English listening channel, where we learn English together. So, what are we going to do today? Today's topic is small talk, a kind of talk that is not official. But before we start, let me tell you how you can use this video to improve your English. Just listen carefully. You don't have to do anything. Just sit back and listen. When you hear English again and again, your brain starts to understand it naturally, so just listening is already helping you. Okay, let's talk about today's topic. Small talk is a short, light conversation that gives people a break from serious talk. It could be with a coworker, a neighbor, or even someone they just met. Sometimes people take a break from one conversation just to have another conversation. Imagine you are in a meeting, and during a short pause, you turn to the person next to you and say something simple, like, "This meeting is taking forever." Right? Now let's talk about what topics are good for small talk. The truth is, small talk can be about almost anything in this world, as long as it is appropriate. Some very common and safe topics are the weather, weekend plans, and sports. These topics are simple, friendly, and almost everyone can join in. You can talk about how hot it is outside, or what someone is planning to do this weekend, or which team won the big game last night. These topics feel light and easy, and they don't create any tension. So please remember this clearly. If you are unsure whether a topic is appropriate, it is always better to stay away from it. It is much safer to talk about something simple and light rather than risk saying something that could hurt someone or damage a relationship. In the business world, trust and respect are very important, and one wrong topic can break that trust in seconds. Now, there is another group of topics that are a little different. These are topics like politics, current issues, and personal opinions or preferences. These topics are not exactly forbidden, but they are risky, because these topics can easily lead to disagreement and then quickly turn into confrontation. For example, if you start talking about politics with a coworker and you have very different opinions, the conversation might become uncomfortable very quickly. Nobody wants to feel tense at work. Nobody wants to argue during a coffee break. So even though these topics are not completely forbidden, it is usually smarter and safer to just avoid them during small talk. Now let's talk about the good side of small talk, because there are many benefits. When small talk is appropriate, it can actually help improve relationships. It creates a friendly connection between people. And of course, small talk allows people to have a little bit of fun during their busy days. A short conversation can make people feel comfortable with each other. It helps create a warm, welcoming atmosphere. Small talk also shows that you are kind and polite in the people around you. Even a few friendly words can make someone's day a little brighter. During a busy day at work, a light conversation can help people smile and enjoy a small break before getting back to their tasks. That is why small talk is such a valuable communication skill. Imagine that you're about to start an important business meeting. Instead of talking about work right away, You begin with a few friendly questions. You might ask about the weather, a weekend trip, or how someone's day is going. These simple questions help everyone feel more relaxed and comfortable. People become more open and ready to talk. This small connection creates a positive feeling before the serious discussion begins. That is one reason why many successful professionals are very good at small talk. They know that strong relationships often begin with simple conversations. Here is one final and very important point to remember. Small talk should always stay short, simple, and natural. It is only the beginning of a conversation, not the main part of it. If you spend too much time talking about unimportant topics, there may not be enough time for the real discussion. That is why balance is so important. Use small talk to make people feel comfortable and to create a friendly connection. Then, when everyone feels relaxed, smoothly move to the main topic. This keeps the conversation professional, respectful, and enjoyable. Good small talk opens the door, but the real conversation is what helps you achieve your goal. Before we finish today's lesson, I want you to play this video one more time. But this time, close your eyes and only listen to the words. Do not read the screen. Focus on the pronunciation and the rhythm of the sentences. Try to understand the meaning just by listening. At first, you may not catch every word, and that is completely normal. Keep listening again and again. Every time you listen, your brain becomes more familiar with natural English. This simple exercise can improve your listening skills, your pronunciation, and your confidence. The more you listen, the easier English will become. And that brings us to the end of today's lesson on small talk. I hope this lesson has helped you. Remember, progress comes from regular practice. You do not need to be perfect. Just try to use one new phrase today. You can practice with a friend, a family member, a classmate, or even by speaking to yourself in front of a mirror. Every small step helps you become a better English speaker. Thank you so much for watching the video. Keep practicing, keep listening, and keep believing in yourself. I look forward to seeing you in the next lesson. Until then, take care, and goodbye for now.